The A minor scale is a natural minor scale that is simple for beginners to learn. On the treble clef, we start with A on the second space from the bottom of the staff. Move up step by step until we return to A above the staff to complete a full octave. On the bass clefs, start with the A on the first space from the bottom of the staff. Minor scales are made up of 7 musical intervals. They follow this pattern: whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, half step, whole step, and finally whole step. Harmonizing the A minor scale means creating chords that fit well with the notes of the A minor scale. For beginners, this is a great way to understand how different notes work together to create harmony. By practicing these chords, we can get a feel for how the A minor scale works and how different chords can be used to create songs and melodies in this key. There are a couple of different ways we can play the A minor scale on the guitar. The open form of the A minor scale uses open strings. Here's how to play it. The simple form of the A minor scale stays in one position. Here's the pattern, which can be used for any minor scale. To find the relative major scale of A minor, simply count forward 3 steps from A. For A minor, the relative scale is C major. Now, are you ready to explore more musical insights? Then check out our next video on understanding relative minor scales for beginners.